Midjourney version 5.2 is currently operational, and it is set as the default method for testing. It has improved the aesthetic appeal and sharpness of images, while also introducing a new feature called Zoom Out, which allows you to expand the image's space without altering the content of the original image. First, I would like to introduce some truly fascinating artworks that I have come across on Twitter from others who used the latest version of Midjourney. Then, I will guide you through the infinite zoom effect so that you can accomplish it yourselves. Let's get started. These websites are a post on Twitter about Midjourney version 5.2. The post provides a detailed guide on the new features of Midjourney version 5.2 and some illustrative examples. Let me show you some illustrative examples of Midjourney version 5.2. The latest version of Midjourney AI, version 5.2, was released in June 2023, bringing many new features and improvements. One of the standout features of Midjourney AI version 5.2 is the outpainting feature. So let's explore this feature. With the outpainting feature, you can expand the frame of an image beyond its original aspect ratio without distorting the original image or frame ratio. The original image and prompt will serve as guidance for completing the larger frame. The outpainting feature of Midjourney AI is based on an AI model trained to generate high-quality images from textual prompts. When you expand the frame, the model will generate new details for the extended area based on the context and style of the original image and prompt. The model strives to maintain the frame ratio and avoid distorting the original image. The outpainting feature of Midjourney AI offers many benefits and applications for users. It allows you to create new and creative images, unrestricted by the original size of the image. It enables you to explore new and unexpected possibilities of artificial intelligence by expanding the scope of the image. It enriches your storytelling with intriguing details by expanding the image's scenery. You can customize and adjust the size and frame ratio of the image according to your preferences. In addition to the outpainting feature, Midjourney AI version 5.2 also introduces several other notable enhancements. Inpainting. This feature allows you to fill in missing or empty areas in an image, generating details that fit the context and style of the image. Improved remix. This feature enables you to combine two or more images together, creating new and unique compositions. Enhanced language processing. This feature allows you to use natural language to describe your ideas, and Midjourney AI will understand and execute them accurately and flexibly. High variance mode. This feature allows you to control the level of change and creativity in the output image. You can set this feature to high variance or low variance mode. High variance will result in more distinct images from the original, potentially leading to interesting results or discoveries. On the other hand, low variance will help maintain the coherence of the image. These new features and improvements in Midjourney AI version 5.2 offer exciting possibilities for creative expression and enhance the user experience. I want to show you how to create this infinite zoom video. You can actually do this quite easily with the Midjourney version 5.2. First, we need an image as the foundation for our video. I've chosen a picture of a girl in a flower garden with a 16:9 aspect ratio. You can choose any image you like, as long as it has high resolution and detail. Now, we will begin the infinite zoom process. First, we'll enter the command zoom out 2xe to double the size of the original image. Then, we'll enter the custom zoom command to modify the image according to our preferences. For example, I want to transform the image of the girl a bit. I'll enter the command a vast forest with many strange creatures. You can try different options to see the results. We will repeat this process until we have enough images for our video. I have created 10 different images, ranging from the girl to a mysterious door. You will see the entire process in the video afterwards. Finally, we will export the images to DaVinci Resolve and merge them into an infinite zoom video. This step is optional, but I recommend doing it for the best effect. Additionally, you should enhance the quality of the images using a tool like Topaz AI to make them sharper and clearer.
Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more videos on the latest artificial intelligence technology. See you. Thank you.